Hello YouTube, and welcome again to me opening my old MREs. We don't know how old this MRE is. I know it's at least 10 years old. I've had it for that long. It also has not been stored in optimum conditions. Sometimes it'll be in the floor room, sometimes it'll be in the garage, sometimes in the car. It's just no apologies for it. It just is what it is. So let's open it up. Let's see if it's still good. I will give you the numbers off of it, and I'll also try to look them up myself, and we'll see if it tells us how old it is. Maybe we can figure it out. Chicken stew, menu number 3. Aaron says you can open these with a little pull here.
It says peelable seal.
Yes, it is. Feel it right here. It's not easy. Oh, there we go. Peelable seal. Okay, what do we have inside? Here we go. This is your first look. What you get. Let's hope this one's better than beefsteak. Beefsteak was not really beefsteak anymore. So, this is your heater. Yeah, heater looks like it's coming apart a little bit. We're gonna give it a try. This is crackers. Crackers are always good in MRE. There's not gonna be nothing wrong with those. This is cocoa beverage powder. Ooh, this looks so fine. That shouldn't have gone bad. This MRE looks like it's in great shape, actually. Apple jelly. Beverage-based powder. Ooh, this one is a little tougher condition here. But what is it? Grape. Oh, I don't know that I've had grape beverage-based powder in MRE. We're going to try that. Pineapple? Pineapple pound cake. That's going to be tasty. I look forward to trying that one. Now, here's your entrees. Chicken stew. Evansville, Indiana. Yep. And, ooh, what is that? This is open. It's just probably come up a little bit. Oh, and this is just pineapple. Just good old pineapple for your pound cake. And the good old spoon. Now, here's the accessory pack. What are we getting in the accessory pack? Oh, I love these hot sauces. Oh, accessory pack down. As always, some arson makers. A little wet wipe. Some gum, which has seen better days. You see that? Ooh, iced tea drink mix. No way, this is tasty. With sugar. We're gonna try it though. Salt. Toilet paper. Based on what I'm looking here, this might not be enough. But let's test it out. Let's see what we got here. What do we want to open first? The entree? Okay, let's give the entree open. Let's try to heat it up. Let's try to use that thing. Is that good water right there? Mm-hmm. So, to heat it up, let me pull the plate out of the way for a minute. This is your chicken stew. This is your main entree. Once you open it up, you've got this packet in here, and it looks to be in good shape. Now, what are our numbers here? They're kind of hard to read, but let me call them out to you. 6290A, first chicken stew, 6290A, P15893, B03B. Can't be 2016. I think he's got to be older than that, but cool, this may be 2006. I don't know. If anybody knows, let me know. I'm going to look it up also. So let's see if this heater still works. I'm going to rip off the top. We're going to pour a little water in, but do not overfill, so we're going to be careful. A little tiny bit more. Okay, I'm spilling water everywhere. Then we're going to fold it over, just like this. Put it back in this packet, just like this. With the entree inside, just like that. See all that entree inside? And then we're gonna set this over here and let it percolate. At an angle, you're supposed to set them at an angle. That doesn't like that. We will use this. Okay. Now we'll move along to pound cake. Pound cake's gonna be delicious. It always is. And again, like the crackers, there's not a lot in pound cake to go bad. Let's see if we get a hiss or anything. Nope, I didn't hear any hiss. So let's take it out. Oh, let's get a good look at it. Doesn't seem to have any problems. Yep, Aaron's right. Let's break this baby open. Oh yeah, looks pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Looks good. It's no humanitarian shortbread cookie, but it's okay. Everybody get a taste.
There's a strong smell of molasses.
How do you know what a mole's ass tastes it smells like?
Lucas is watching.
I'll cut it out. Now, with it, you get some actual pineapple. See how this pineapple looks. See here, the pineapple? Now let's read the numbers off the pineapple. Pineapple says SPB 6279. So it had to be made in 2006 or 2016. Is it possible these are 2016? I don't know. I think we've had them longer than that. Oh, now that's interesting.
Different bowl.
Oh.
That's not right.
Oh.
No, we're not eating that.
Oh. What you talking about? Isn't that what pineapple always looks like? How does that? That's
You
just
could've-
pineapple.
You could have genuinely lied to me and said that
Give
was
a sniff.
marinated beef.
No.
Give a sniff.
Oh, that smells alcoholic.
Does is it
Yeah,
It might
fermented?
have fermented.
I'll get a good
It
look
smells
at
like
that.
rum.
I don't know that the pineapple is still good.
Don't. Oh, don't put that in your mouth.
Does not taste right.
Well, I'm gonna take this away.
Thank you. Oh, would you get me a? Would you fill this glass? How much you supposed to put in? Oh no, this is cocoa-based powder. Would you give me a hot cup here? Okay. Oh, and a cold cup for the iced tea mix. I don't know that any of these heaters are working anymore. Thank you. Let's see what this cocoa-based powder tastes like. Oh, it looks fine. I'm going to use a fork. Oh. And while we're letting that cocoa-based powder sit for a minute, maybe let some of those chunks. Let's try the iced tea mix with sugar and lemon. I am not a fan of iced tea that comes in a powder, but let's see. Oh yeah. Let that marinate for a minute.
It's not separating.
It will. Okay. Ready? Oh, that's delightful. This hot cocoa is good. Give that a taste.
Question: why is that not settling at the bottom?
I know. Just needs another stir.
I think it needs a priest.
See? There you go. That's
That
good
might
hot
get
cocoa,
better.
isn't it? That's really good hot cocoa. Okay. Iced tea.
That's pretty cool hot cocoa.
It's not bad. It's not overly sweetened. It's pretty good. Y'all see this cute little Tabasco sauce right here. How can you not love that little Tabasco sauce? Okay. We have crackers here. And did they give? Is there no peanut butter in this one? Do you only get apple jelly in chicken stew? Okay, there's a bunch of cracker in here. It's coming apart in pieces. Good cracker and apple jelly. Oh, I should have multiplied that a little bit there. Is that the right word for it?
No.
I don't know, but that ain't the right
What's
color
the word?
for it either.
Need. That is not the right color. Smell it.
That's not really. No. That's.
Oh,
Yeah, you should.
I made a mistake there. That is not something that should have gone in mouth. Okay. The apple butter did not fare all that well.
It's not butter, it's just jelly.
Hey, would you give me another glass so we can try grape? Although it's kind of solid.
Use
So
that clear one.
this is not, this heater must be bad. It is not heating up at all. So let's just pour that out of there, throw it away. Actually, I'm gonna leave it there for a few minutes. Let's see if it gets hotter. But let's see what this chicken stew looks like. And if we think it's still good. I don't know, I'm getting a little gun shy here. Here's the chicken stew. Looks pretty solid. Open her up. Ooh. Oh yeah.
Don't eat that.
It's moving like fibers.
It always. Yeah, that's probably what it originally looked like.
Would you dial 9 and 1 and
I
wait?
know. If it's probably what it looks like, it's definitely not what it looks like. But you should put Tabasco sauce on that. I can
Oh,
tell that
that's
from
true.
here.
No.
Oh,
No.
is that the chicken?
That's a piece of chicken.
That's not a piece of. Hold on, that might not honestly
Don't
be.
eat that.
You probably shouldn't eat that.
Does it smell bad to you? It looks fine. Smell it.
No, it smells terrible, but that don't look right. Maybe it's just dark chicken.
Be brave.
We should go to church tomorrow.
Look at that. Look at
It's
this.
Monday.
This delicious piece of chicken. Let's try it. Pretty good. Got a little carrots in there, a little corn, some peas, some sauce. It definitely tastes like an MRE chicken, but it's not bad. I think it's still good. Yes, let's put some hot sauce on it. We got a little baby hot sauce here that doesn't want to come out. Come on out, little baby hot sauce. Oh, there, a little bit of baby hot sauce came out. Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah, all the baby hot sauce came out.
Mix that. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Should you mix
That's
it?
a meal. That's good.
Okay.
It's MRE good. Okay. Is this the water for the powder? Fire go. Now this stuff is hard like a rock.
Crack it.
Oh.
I regret my decisions.
Yeah, so do you want to eat your MREs before they become 10 or 20 years old?
They say 3 to 5 years.
3 to 5 years?
Oh, hold on. Put that in a bowl first.
My, yeah, let's put that in a bowl.
Oh, why is it blue?
It's great.
That's not the color of grape. You want me to get like a knife to chunk that up?
Okay, so that looks a bit like what you clean out of a cat box.
It does look a little like what you clean out of a cat box.
Oh, that's an immediate change of color. Hold on. I need you to get like a side shot of this. No, this is a science experiment.
Don't drink that.
It's turning black.
So when I decided I was going to film this, everybody was like, oh yeah, let's open up the MREs. Now that we're a couple deep into MREs, they're looking pretty rough. They're like, don't eat that.
There's a difference between being curious and having a death wish.
Is that even grape? Hold on, let's get all the chunks stirred in.
You are not close to all the chunks stirred in.
I'm working on it. Just needs a minute.
This needs God.
So, this never did get hot at all. This is not good anymore. Let me throw that away.
I'm sorry. Still, get that closer to the camera. They need to see what
Oh no,
color that
can I
is.
see?
That's not right.
That looks like we're about to go poison Snow White.
You know, in Galaxy Quest, where guy looks over and he says, "Oh, that's not right.
It's not right.
That is not right."
You know, in Harry Potter, when Dumbledore says, "You must make me drink this, Harry, even if I beg you not to,"
It doesn't taste terrible.
I don't
Please
care.
don't drink
It doesn't taste terrible.
Cool.
It's pretty good.
I don't think you have a decision anymore. I'm taking this away.
Okay, so the only thing really good in here is crackers and pound cake. Even the apple butter's not working.
This doesn't smell like anything. This doesn't smell like... And I don't mean that as it doesn't have a smell. I mean this doesn't have a
The
smell.
hot cocoa was good.
This doesn't have the smell of something that exists. Not that it doesn't have a smell. It doesn't smell like anything that exists in this world. Please
Okay.
smell this.
Thanks for watching. I'll let you know if it damages me in any way. See you later.
that. Maybe.
You want to help? She wants to help. She doesn't know what's happening up here, but she wants to be involved. Look at that right there. You can help me open MREs.